Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Nissan Murano after oil change. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip reset button until the oil life display appears and begins to flash. Release the button briefly and press it again to set the display to 100% or clear the maintenance indicator. Confirm the reset before turning off the ignition. Start by confirming the oil change is complete and the oil cap is secure to avoid leaks. Access the vehicle settings or maintenance menu if available to check oil life before attempting a reset. If your model lacks a menu, use the trip reset method in the instrument cluster as shown earlier, and always perform resets with the vehicle parked and the parking brake applied to stay safe. If the oil life fails to reset, recheck the steps and try the trip reset procedure again while parked. As a last resort, disconnect the negative battery terminal for a few minutes to clear some flags, but expect radio presets to reset. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for stored maintenance codes, and if diagnostics point to a sensor fault, replace the oil life sensor, then perform the reset again. If problems persist, seek professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.